Can I get you both to introduce yourself, your names and your brand that you're building with us here at eCom Capital?
Sure. My name's Sherry and this is
I'm Cameron.
And we're the founders of the Curvy Angler.
Amazing. And when you first started with eCom Capital, did you have any idea what you were going to sell?
We actually had the idea and the concept in mind when we joined. We just didn't know how to bring it all together and make it happen. And I think that's been the great thing about signing on with eCom Capital is that it's certainly helped us to refine that idea and to get us to where we are at the moment with our final product.
Give me your elevator pitch. Tell me what your product and your brand is.
So our product, fishing shirts for curvy women, no gaudy fish prints. It's basically from brunch to the boat, smooth transition.
Can we please see your product?
So we have a bunch of them that we've just shoved into a bag.
All-day angler shirt, which is...
This one's in our coastal band. You'll notice that it is like a half-button placket with a mandarin-style collar. We have tin side pockets, zippered.
That is so cool.
And they're quite big, quite deep. You can put your phone in there, your lip balm, your sunscreen, anything like that. We also have a side panel that helps to form and contour to a woman's body to just help it make that little bit extra fit. And we also have targeted ventilation zones with mesh gussets that help with keeping people cool. And another feature is the roll secure tabs that we have with the button and a little tab inside just to keep the sleeves rolled up if you want them.
But this is my favourite because I'm a pink kind of girl. So this is it here. I especially love it because it's tailored. So it's curved at the bottom and on the back as well. It's not just a flat square shirt. It's curved and tailored.
I feel it.
Yeah, really soft, breathable, quick dry.
Oh, these are awesome. You both should be so incredibly proud of yourselves.
Really loud fish print style polo tops. Not that there's anything wrong with those in the marketplace, but our discussions with a lot of people since we've been on this journey is that they don't resonate with those style of shirt. And that's why we've sort of moved away from a little bit. Our branding is very subtle on our shirts, just like an embroidered logo here on the back. This one's our signature series. This particular pink and burgundy colour one has actually been really popular from sales, our website. We've also got other colours in the signature series range too. It just makes them a little bit more versatile as well. So as Sherry said, from sort of boat to brunch styling, you can be wearing it at the pub and then head out on the water, down on the beach, anywhere.
What was it about eCom Capital that made you want to join us, say, over others?
I spent 12 months researching different companies, and I think for me it was just the raw organic testimonials within the campaign that sort of did it for me. No hype, just everyday Aussies talking about their success stories. I think that's what really converted me to go to eCom Capital.
In terms of your success within eCom Capital, tell me, what is the biggest milestone that you've both hit in your business so far?
We're about $2,000 away from our first goal, which is 10K, and we only launched 4 weeks ago.
Oh, you guys are killing it. You should be so proud.
We're pretty stoked. What's exciting for us is that the sales have come in without any promotions, with just our website and our advertising. That's it. Yeah. And multiples of sales. So it's been really, really a strong launch. Fantastic results so far.
I think the other thing is that, look, it hasn't been an easy road too. Like, it's not sort of just we start and then you just kind of go soaring. It's certainly been up and down with struggles along the way. It's that roller coaster journey of just, you're feeling great. And then it's like, oh, there's the next challenge. I'm feeling down, and then up and down. So it has taken us 12 months to get to this point in time. Now see the results happening from all that previous work that we've put in. It's a great feeling. It's quite a mixed bag of emotions of excitement and relief, concern and worry about, okay, now I've got to continue to make this keep going. And that's also a bit of an exciting thing too, because for us, we've sort of proved and shown that we've got a good product, a market for the product. We can still sort of sell it during winter.
Absolutely. And honestly, $8,000 in revenue in 4 weeks is a huge achievement.
We do have a couple of bottlenecks that we've hit in relation to where we're at, and we're just trying to work through how we can do that. That's part of why we've come to this conference, to try and also help nut out some of those ideas and things and how we can kind of fix those so we can sort of start see the sales coming through again. I've already got a few points and ideas and I need to just implement.
So you both should be so incredibly proud. I'm so happy for you both. And you've built an incredible brand because you both came in, we say, like, no e-commerce experience, right? What would you say to someone who was sitting on the fence around coming in to join eCom Capital to build their own business just as you both have?
Probably jump in, because if you sit on the fence for too long, you'll never get that idea off the ground. You really just got to rip the Band-Aid off and start. We've been procrastinating for 4 years about this fishing idea and 12 months of research into companies to get it off the ground. I just think if I could go back in time, I would have started 12 months ago. Who knows where we'd be now?
We had the idea, but we had really no idea where to start and how to find somebody to manufacture our idea. The process of working with eCom Capital has actually helped propel us to where we are right now. So the systems and things that are in place with the learning, the support from coaches and things, and having the right support from the right coach to help you through each phase is really something that has got us to where we are right now.
Without eCom Capital, we wouldn't have the network of other founders to collaborate with and have peer support. And just peer support is actually really important on this journey. I mean, you can have coaching, but to actually hear from other people on the journey, and then you might take one little gold nugget out of that conversation and implement it in your own business. So I think that for me, the networking is the most important and the most powerful.